A shingle needs replacement rather than repair when its structural integrity is compromised beyond a simple patch. Look for deep cracks that run the full length of the shingle or cross its tabs because those indicate the shingle will not seal or shed water properly. Press gently in different spots to feel for brittleness, and if it breaks or flakes under light, pressure replacement is required. Check for missing material such as granule loss down to the asphalt mat or exposed fibers because that accelerates ultraviolet decay and leads to rapid failure. Use a flashlight at low angle to spot bare areas that are hard to see from a distance. Delamination, where the shingle layers separate or the asphalt is pulling away from the backing, cannot be reliably repaired because adhesive bonds will not hold long term. If you can slide your fingernail between layers, you should plan on replacing the shingle. Curling of tabs or edges that do not flatten when warmed by sun indicates the shingle has permanently deformed and will lift under wind, so replacement is safer than repeated resealing. Look for signs of water staining, mold growth, or rot in the decking under the shingle. If the underlayment or decking is soaked or soft, further investigation and likely multiple shingle or complete section replacement is necessary. Also check around flashings, valleys, and penetrations since failure there often means more than a single shingle fix. And replacing the affected area with correct flashing and underlayment technique is the durable approach. Common mistakes include assuming cosmetic granule loss alone means immediate full replacement. Small localized granule wear can sometimes be managed with targeted replacement or protective coatings, but evaluate surrounding shingles and the roof age before deciding. Another issue is patching curled or split shingles repeatedly without addressing poor ventilation or attic heat, which causes accelerated deterioration. Fix ventilation or insulation problems, and then replace compromised shingles. A third problem is ignoring signs near flashings and valleys because those areas concentrate water flow. Do not attempt to spot patch if the flashing is rusted or poorly sealed. Remove the adjacent shingles, replace the flashing or underlayment, and then reinstall new shingles for a lasting repair. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and allow contractors to promote their services and connect with potential clients. We also host an active discussion community where members share inspection tips, contractor experiences, and practical how-to guides so our users can make confident decisions about shingle replacement and roof repairs.